So guys, how are you?
Sir, how are you? You tell first.
Yes, sir. Last day, Lashif shot you. And where is he, by the way, sir?
First let me tell about myself and then later I will call Lashiv in front of both of you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
As you all know, in our channel there is a world famous biologist in his vicinity. His name is Vinod. Actually he is a hermit. He only saved me from that injury and that's why I am very grateful to him. I owe my life to him. Anyways guys, let's start. So what is valency?
The combining capacity of an element is called its valency.
Well, you are absolutely right. In exam write this definition only, but today I will teach you a different definition with the use of which you will be able to find valency of any element without learning them. The number of electrons that an element must lose or gain to attain the nearest noble gas configuration is called valency. Now the reason for giving this definition is every element wants electronic stability. Now to attain this, they try to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. Let us take an example, suppose aluminium. Okay. Now see how many electrons are present in its outermost shell. 1, 2 and 3. Now what are the two noble gas which are present nearer to it? See, on this side we have neon and on this side we have argon. Now see, neon is having atomic number of electrons as 10 and in this side argon is having number of electrons in as 18. So which one is nearer?
Sir,
Sir,
neon.
neon.
Yes, neon. And that's why this aluminium, it will lose the 3 outermost electrons present and it will attain the electronic configuration just like that of neon. So what will be the valency of aluminium?
Sir, 3.
Yes, its valency is 3. Now see how it attain the nearest noble gas configuration by losing 3 electrons. Now initially the atomic number of aluminium was 13, means 13 electrons as well as 13 protons. Now when it lost 3 electrons, so how many electrons are present now? 10. And how many protons? 13. Now what is the charge of proton? Plus, and that of electron is minus. So plus 13 minus 10. What is the net charge? Plus 3. Now after this aluminium loses 3 electrons, so it has now become a positively charged ion and we will call it a cation. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next, let us consider the example of sulfur. Now what is the atomic number of sulfur? It is 16. So suppose we have sulfur over here. So now what are the two noble gas present nearer to it? See, on this side we have neon and on this side we have argon. So now in neon it has atomic number 10, argon has atomic number 18. Now all of you tell what will be the valency of sulfur?
Sir,
2.
2.
Yes, absolutely. The valency will be 2. Now, what will it do? So here, if it loses 6 electrons and attain the noble gas configuration just like neon, it is little bit tough. But see, to gain 2 electrons and to attain the nearest noble gas configuration just like argon, it is easier. So here, this sulfur will gain 2 electrons. Now, since it is gaining 2 electrons, now initially the number of electrons was 16 plus 2, it is becoming 18. And what is the number of protons now? It is just like the previous one, 16 only. So now for proton we are having plus 16 and electrons we are having minus 18. So what is the net charge? The net charge is minus 2. Now since the net charge you are getting as negative, we will call this ion as an anion or negatively charged ion.
Sir, we absolutely get it. But as you said that they want stability. Now please, sir, can you tell us that why they want stability?
Well, let me call Lashiv. He will give you the information and will also tell about his whereabouts. Guys, don't get me wrong. Vinod is making false accusations against me. It was just a false bullet with anesthetic power.
Oh, sir, that means Vinod is lying about you.
Sir, now our answer.
Now, sir, can you please answer our doubt?
Yes, definitely. So see, anything in this universe wants stability. Like that boy. So when he started chasing his that friend, he had two options in front of him. What are those? Either to get back to the previous state when he had no such feeling, or to get her. Only then he will be patient and attain stability. I hope you all get me. Okay guys, I am gearing myself up for teaching you all periodic table, so I am getting disconnected. Bye bye. So I hope today's class was clear to you all. So guys, please give a like, share this video with your friends, and those who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you.